back with something a little bit different this time. We're heading down to Aireys Inlet, but we've gotten away a day earlier than when we're heading to the Big Four. So we're pulled up here tonight, a cracking little spot we found on Hip Camp in Wensleydale. Tomorrow we're going to head over Aireys Inlet. We've got the Big Four down there, and we're going to go check out some of the waterfalls and do a bit of mountain bike riding. And we're probably getting on the beers because AFL Grand Final weekend. The missus is a Cats fan, Nato's a Cats fan who we're going with as well. So yeah, it's going to be a big one. They're playing, see if they get the win. But yeah, something a little different this time. Instead of a full driving video, maybe a bit more of a scenic video and a bit of out and exploring and getting out and about and chasing some caravan parks. So. Got a chicken pie in the Weber. We're just sitting around the fire.
Okay.
Not bad, eh?
Okay.
So we've left the Hip Camp down at Wensleydale. It's a great little spot. There's alpacas to feed, there's chickens, the dam to walk around. There's like half a dozen sites there, so yeah, I'll put a link up in the video here so you can see where it is if you want to go check it out, stay there yourself. Little playground there for the kids too, so they had a ball. What do you think of that joint, kids?
Good.
What do you think, Darls?
That's good.
On to Big Four at Aireys Inlet. Gonna make a stop past the chocolate factory there. And then, yeah, should be there by about 12. Check in and chill out. Our first landmark for the trip was the Split Point Lighthouse, well known for its feature in the TV show Round the Twist. This lighthouse is visible on the journey a long way along the coast, and you can make the trek up to the top for a cost of $10 per person. You going up to the lighthouse?
I'm at the beach.
Yeah, we're going to look at the beach. So we're heading up to Aireys Inlet Lighthouse. 1890 it was built, so 130 whatever years up. What are we now? It's 132 years old. There we go, going up to the top.
I got up on the top.
It's very cool.
It's very scary. It's like scary.
It's not scary.
Yeah, because I've never been this high before. So
G'day, mate. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. How's the view up here? What's going on here, Dale? She's a bit scared. You're not scared?
And how come she was at the plane?
Yeah, because she was happy on a plane, but not on a lighthouse.
Not
Next
up, it's time to trade 4 wheels for 2 and explore the trails around Aireys Inlet with Nato and Les, who both have the advantage being on e-bikes.
Off for a little pedal, mate. Yoo! Let's see what the trails are like. He's said good things about them. Let's have a look. Say bye to the e-bike.
Next on the list is Sheoak Falls, situated just past the township of Lorne. It's a short 700 metre walk where you're greeted by a stunning waterfall at the end as a reward.
There's a river running out. Is that your naughty corner, mate? Nice little walk to Sheoak Falls all done. Now we're going to head over to Erskine Falls.
The Great Ocean Road was built by soldiers returning from World War I, starting in 1919. 3,000 men worked on the road using shovels, pickaxes and some dynamite. They built the 236 kilometres of road in 14 years. The early road was single-laned. Toll gates along each way regulated traffic and traffic changed each hour. The tolls were paid until the 1940s. On our way to Erskine Falls, we make a stop at Teddy's Lookout, which is located at the back of Lorne. There's abundance of walking trails to explore in the area, and then also a platform which offers stunning panoramic views across the ocean.
Tasmanians out there.
How is it so cold here?
Not a bad view at Teddy's Lookout. What do you reckon, girls?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cool. Is there a crocodile?
Waterfall, it's so big.
The walk to Erskine Falls is a relatively easy 80-metre walk to see the upper falls. To get to the bottom, it's a 220-metre walk and it comprises of a heap of stairs. Still relatively straightforward, but if stairs aren't your thing, at least you can capture the views from the top.
This is the upper falls lookout of Erskine Falls.
Only understanding it ever in the sun.
And this, unfortunately for us, is where the trip all went pear-shaped.
How's that one? Rear hub assembly, I'm tipping's cooked.
So unfortunately for us, that was the end of the trip. That meant the car going on the back of a tow truck to in front 4x4 in Bayswater, who does all of our work. So with the help of friends and family, we got us and the van home, but we'll be back down there if you enjoyed this video to bring you the things that we missed on this trip, unfortunately.